Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome to a gentle stretch yoga flow. Today, we'll move slowly and stretch our bodies to feel better and more comfortable. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can practice yoga with us anytime. Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. On hands and knees with a flat back, shoulders over wrists, and hips over knees. Kneel on hands and knees, slide arms forward, chest melts toward the floor while hips stay lifted. From all fours, slide one arm under the body, resting gently on the shoulder and cheek. Repeat both sides. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Lie on your back, bring knees to chest, let both knees fall to one side while shoulders stay grounded. Switch sides. Lie on your back with the legs extended long and arms stretched overhead like a full body morning stretch. Let's take a calm moment together. Breathe in slowly through your nose and breathe out gently through your mouth. Stay here for 30 seconds, letting your body feel soft and relaxed. Great job, yoga buddies. You did an amazing job stretching and taking care of your body today. If you enjoyed this gentle stretch, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who might need a gentle stretch too. See you next time. Namaste.